Hi everybody, my name is Dustin Daniels. I'm the new cybersecurity teacher in room 314. I just wanted to share some information that I've been using to help me out with taking roll. I notice in Zoom it lists all the kids alphabetically by first name, and when you're trying to take a look at Infinite Campus at the same time, they're all listed by last name. So this app, Google Classroom, has a option in there called Student Selector. It makes it a little bit useful for helping go through roll in the morning. It is available on Android and for the iPhone. I've got it down here. Show you how that works. So we go open it up. I'm going to click on one of my classes here, and then I want to go down to people. And then once you're here, you're going to click on this little square right there. Brings you up to the student selector. So as you can see, you've got your class list right here. You've got 9 kids that are in your class, and nobody's absent so far. Nobody's been picked. You just start going through. You can click on next, or you could just swipe to the side. You can swipe up. You can swipe to the left or right. If you find one that is absent, you are going to click on absent right there, and we'll make her absent, and then you got to end the session. So once you're done, you've got 7 kids were picked, 2 are absent. So you click on any one of those numbers at the top there, it brings you to your entire list. As you can see, you've got all these kids are here, and these 2 at the bottom are absent. It doesn't export or anything into Infinite Campus, but it does make it a little bit easier to see all at once, maybe on a different device instead of having multiple windows open on your screen. Hope that helps you. Have a great week.